Welcome aboard. Let's get building with BuilderBUILDER Pro. In this quick guide, we'll add images, permits, drawings, and other files to a project in BuilderBUILDER Pro. To add a file, tap the project name, here, Lead Sanctuary. From the project menu, tap Images. All project images appear here. To add a new one, tap the Add icon. You can pick an image from your device or capture a new one. Let's choose Gallery first. Select the image, add optional notes, or mark it as the primary image for Client Dashboard. Then tap Add Image. The image is added successfully and appears in the grid. To add a live photo, choose Camera, capture the image, then confirm and tap Add Image. Tap any image to view it full screen. From here, you can zoom or download the image. To download, press on the download icon on the top right corner of the screen. The image will be downloaded and saved to your gallery. To remove an image, press and hold it, then tap Delete and confirm. The image will be removed. Next, let's add a permit file. Go back to the project menu and open Permits. Permits works the same way. Tap the Add icon, choose Files to pick a document from your device, or use Camera to capture a photo. Choose a permit file, add optional notes, then tap Add Permit. Repeat the process to attach additional permits as needed, and they'll appear in the Permits grid. For drawings and other documents, open Drawing and Files, and use the same Attach flow to add files from your device or camera. Tap a file to view PDFs or drawings in full screen. To remove a permit or drawing, press and hold it and confirm Delete, same as images.